Hello guys, today we'll talk about breadboards. Breadboards are an essential part of every project we make and every experiment we perform. But how is it interconnected inside confuses most of us every time. So this is a breadboard and I'll be explaining you the internal connections of exactly what is there inside. This breadboard is divided into a number of rows and columns. There are 4 rows in all, 2 at the top and 2 at the bottom. These rows are further divided into 2 parts each. So we have 8 rows in total which are interconnected. Starting from here we have row 1, row 2, row 3 and row 4. And over here we have row 5, row 6, row 7 and row 8. So row 1 is interconnected as a single thing. If I attach my wire over here or even here till this last point, it will be in the same line. Hence, I can attach a number of different devices if I want them to be interconnected. It's like they have a common connection. Similar is the case with all the 7 lines or rows. Coming to the columns, columns are divided into 2 parts. First one is above the center line and the next one is below the center line. These are interconnected as individual columns of 5 5 each. So if I am connecting a wire here and a wire here, they are not connected to each other. Same goes the case with the wire being connected here and here. If I am connecting the wires in the same column, but one is above and the other is below the main center line, they are still not connected. But if I attach this wire in this column and the second wire is attached in the same column of 5 holes, it gets interconnected. So if I want to attach something in parallel, they should be connected to the same column or the same row. But if I want something to be connected in series, I will have to use different columns or rows. So summing it up, we have 4 rows divided into 2 each, and we have 2 sets of columns, one above the center line and the other below it. Remember, none of the columns are interconnected with each other. Only the 5 holes in one column are internally connected. I hope you guys now have a general idea of how the breadboard is connected internally with itself. Visit our channel and get information about various other sensors. Press the subscribe button so that we feel the information we are providing has reached to all of you successfully. Robometrics.